another episode of RNXLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. Sometimes later becomes never. Do it now. With that thought, let us start today's episode by paying our tributes to Villivakam S. Raghuraman. He is the disciple of Radha Sundareshan and V.L. Kumar. He is an All India Radio graded violinist and is the founder of Vadya Sangeeta Sangamam. He has also won many awards like Dasa Kalamani. He is the Asthana Vidwan of Vanamamalai Mutt and the Asthana Vidwan of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam. He has also performed all around the world. Let us see his performance. That was a wonderful performance. Time now to see our first semi-finalist for today, Venkatesh N from Chennai.
परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर जय जय परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर जय जय परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर जय जय पंकजनाभ मुरारे पंकजनाभ मुरारे परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर जय जय पंकजनाभ मुरारे परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर जय जय पंकजनाभ मुरारे परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर सरसीरुग भव शंकर वासव सरसीरुग भव शंकर वासव सरसीरुग भव शंकर वासव सन्नुद शरीर शौरे सन्नुद शरीर शौरे सन्नुद शरीर शौरे परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर चारु विधृत वनमाला कौस्तुभ चारु विधृत वनमाला कौस्तुभ सत्वत कमल दिनेश चारु विधृत वनमाला कौस्तुभ सत्वत कमल दिनेश सारंगाधिप तप विमोचन सारंगाधिप तप विमोचन स्यानंदूर पुरेश स्यानंदूर पुरेश स्यानंदूर पुरेश परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर मगरि धनि परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर धनि 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 ध मग मगरि धनि परम पुरुष नि गरि धनि धम मगरि धनि परम पुरुष गम धनि धनि धम मगरि धनि परम पुरुष सारत दत्त गम गम गरि धनि धनि रि धनि ध धनि धम मगरि धनि परम पुरुष दम मम मम द मम मम गम द मम ग ग धनि गम ग ग ग ग ग गम रि 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 दत्त धनि धरि रि धनि धरि धनि धरि रि धनि धनि धरि धनि गम गम द गम धनि द मदनि द नि धनि द सा धनि धनि नि द मद गम गम ग रि धनि परम पुरुष जगदीश्वर
That was a splendid performance. To vote for Venkatesh, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Only SMS votes are valid. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about his performance.
You sang Paramapurusha Swadhitirnal Kriti in Rag Vasanta. You have a dynamic and very clear voice. I really loved your rendition. All the sangatis were rendered with clarity and all the swara portions were also Very good. Except that you have to keep a watch on the time, because as per the rules, you will be losing marks if you exceed the time. So that is the only minus I can see in this. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about his performance.
Parama Purusha Vasanta, overall nice presentation. You have a very clear and good voice. When you sing your Swara Kalpana, do a unhurried rendition. Don't rush through it as if you have to catch some flight or train. So that is very important, and also the combination of notes as you sing. Applying Janta Varisa or the Alankara pattern and all that does happen, but when you present it, it becomes monotonous. So it sounds little childish sometimes. So as you sing loads, you will get the hang of it. So please practice that.
Thank you, Mahati ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about his performance.
There is a vibrancy and a joy to the way that you sing. I really like that. Once you enjoy your own singing, that's the way the audience will enjoy. So certainly that was there, and you have a very good voice. But your Shruti was pitching slightly lower than the Shruti box. And it's very noticeable in certain places. When you finished the Raga Alapna and you landed back at Sa, the Sa that you sang was quite a bit lower than the Sa in the Shruti box. Please listen to it again, and there were a few places where that was noticeable. Just minor things that you need to work on and correct. In our excitement to sing, we should not lose track of the basics. Overall, it was a good presentation and I really enjoyed it.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Which river is the mother of the great warrior Bhishma? Let us see the answer after a small break. Welcome back to Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. The mother of the great warrior Bhishma is Ganga. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Soumya Veera Raghavan from Mumbai. a dazzling performance. Want to see Soumya in the finals? Type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
A beautiful start with the Vritam in Brindavani on Sri Raghavendra Swamigal. You sang the composition very well. You still had some time, you could have shown a little bit of Manodharmam. Otherwise, your voice is very sweet and a very confident rendering. I loved your rendition. All the best.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
Very sweet rendition of Raga Brindavana Saranga, and I have learned so much from all of you participants in this competition. Some of the places that you sang, Namatam Kamadenave, such beautiful phrases you sang. Overall, it was a good rendition, and I could see a lot of love for singing. Certainly, maybe a little more work on the lower octaves. I felt your lower octaves are not as confident and strong as your higher octaves. So that's something you can work on. Overall, I enjoyed listening to you.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
Lot more of practice required in terms of your control over your singing. Notes cannot be wavering. Consistent production of your voice and sound, that will help you maintain the necessary ingredients for a perfect rendition. So wishing you all the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Vishaka H.C. Vadul from Shivamogga. wonderful performance. To vote for him, type S2 space contestant code and SMS it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about his performance.
Revati Mahadeva Shiva Shambho. If you put in a lot more of practice, the long notes will merge with the Shruti, align with the Shruti even more better. Sarveshwara Sa Nirtra Edam, the sustained notes. So, and also you can try singing more from your gut, that is Nabhi Hrit Kandarasana Madri. If you sing more from your tummy and not from here, the nasal tone to your voice can be reduced. So you can definitely work on that in producing a better tonality of your voice.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about his performance.
Very well sung. There's a certain flow in your singing which I really enjoyed, and most places you sang with an openness of your voice, which is something I really like. Your singing was very good. I enjoyed it. You have a sort of unique high-pitched voice which makes it sound bright and interesting. Overall, you sang very well and you should feel proud of yourself.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about his performance.
Excellent rendition. You started off with an alap in Revati, Mahadeva Shiva Shambho of Tanjavur Shankarayar's composition. Very well rendered. Your bhavam was good. Your voice was excellent, and you sang throughout. You were very good with your rendition. Just that you could have sung a little bit of Kalpana Swaras. That was missing. Otherwise, you're a good singer. I enjoyed your singing. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Time now to see our next semi-finalist for today, Soumya S from Bengaluru.
पुरंदरादि सुरोतम सुरुचिर किरीटमणि किरणाचित चरणे पुरंदरादि सुरोतम सुरुचिर किरीटमणि किरणाचित चरणे तक तधुनि जनु तदक दरि तकिट त्रिकिट पामदरि सरि ग नीद नीद पमधि धधि धरि धरि स रि ग म वर नि नि सा तरि त जनु तदक धेनु ततुं तरि तति तरि तुं ग म रि ग म स रो रुहासन जायि बालचन्द्र वतंसिनि परिजन पालनैक परे घन पातक शैलभेदूरायित चरिते करुणालवालायित हृदये लोल रुचिराळग परिवृत सुविशाल रुचि निटिलायित वदने नाळमिह हरिनाय गोपि बताळपि तुमयि मतिमानन्ते पुलता नयममोद्यत विद्याजालमाशुननु भारति सकलं फाललोचनमुखातिलवन्दित पद्मनाभपद सेवक निरते सरोरुहासन जाहि गमगरि गम सरोरुह पदनि सनि सनि धनि दपदनि गम गम सरोरुह नि जनि नि सा सा जनि जनि गरि जनि ग रि सा गरि जनि गरि सा नि रि जनि धनि जनि द Gamari gama saru
That was a tremendous performance. To vote for her, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Only SMS votes are valid. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
You made singing seem so easy and effortless. You were singing such fine and nuanced brigas, but there was no sense of strain either in your voice or on your face. You sang with a sense of ease and calm, which I really liked, and some places that you sang were very beautiful. Kiritamani, the swarakshara of mani, and it was rendered again very effortlessly. So it was really good overall. Again, if I can only give you some advice, after all we all have to try and be better, right, is that maybe you can give a little more volume to your singing, because it sounds quite mild at parts, and since you have such a fabulous voice, how more fabulous it will sound if you sing a little more with a little loudness is what I felt. But overall, fabulous presentation.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
You started off with the brief alapana in Panturali, a Swadi Tirunal Kriti. I loved your voice texture, and followed by the composition with Chittaswaram, and the Swara portions were also rendered very well. Even the Madhyama Kala was good, except that there was some hurriedness in your singing. Maybe the Altham was a little missing. Otherwise, you are a very good singer and very dedicated in your singing, and I can see that in your presentation. Please work on the Altham. Otherwise, I loved your rendition. Very good.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
Panturali, you can give more power while you sing, especially when you sing swaras and the korvai. இந்த மாதிரி பாடிட்டே இருந்தா there is no effect. இன்னும் பாடும்போது there is okay, she's singing something அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு எஃபெக்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ அது வந்து கொண்டு வரது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். As you sing, you will get more of the flow.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Who was called as Savyasachi in the Mahabharata? Let us see the answer after a small break.
Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana